Hi, this is Professor Favors, and I want to introduce you to the eCampus part of the course. So this is an online course. This is DRW 0315-83300. And so the course, just a few of the tabs to give you an idea of what to expect in the course. I will do a syllabus overview. So you have your learning materials here, and your included book is uh, fundamentals of college writing. Go ahead and ignore anything else. So the only book that we are working with is the fundamentals of college writing. And so then you start here, and this is your welcome. And I'm usually going to put part of this in the announcement when I send it off. And it's just essentially telling you about the course, what the co-requisite is, what we do in DRW 0315, which is basically interpret, describe, analyze, evaluate information. Yours is heavily grammar based. That's why your English 1301 is much more writing based. But you will have tasks that you will need to manage. And then there's the course calendar here. When you look over here at the tabs, there's my instructor information. You can take some time to look at that, the course syllabus as well. What you will find, though, that there is coordination between the eCampus setup as well as the academic calendar. So you're going to see these terms: read, watch, assignments, quizzes, and discussion board. Okay. And for this 5 week summer 2 course, it requires a day by day. I do leave assignments as on a 2 day uh, task management process, so that you can manage your tasks, because it's not always that easy to manage a 5 week course while you're working and doing other courses. But keep in mind that reading is just reading from the text. Many of the source material, the readings that I do, I'm going to click it right now. The readings that I have are, these are your page numbers, everything here, right? But if you go to watch, and this goes all the way down, and it's by day. So by that date, by the end date, you see here 7/11 or 7/12, you should have that read, have that reviewed. But if you look at watch, watch not only has the videos, but also the downloadable documents for that lecture. So it's much easier, because the downloadable documents are connected to the videos, and that's why I posted them here. When I first started creating the teaching videos, I did not necessarily create documents. I think I did a PowerPoint or something like that, and I may find it and add them here. But essentially, these are your downloadable documents. Now, the links that you see here, when you click out, they're going to click out to my YouTube channel, and that's only because we are changing from eCampus or Blackboard to Brightspace. And when I try to convert or import files, the videos that I had in the previous eCampus shell would not move over. So it's much easier to bring in the links, and then it can link out. So here is an example of a link for the homophones video, and then you watch it, and then you should be able to learn what you need to learn in terms of being able to do the assignment. So these are the lectures, these are links, and then there are the majority of them are downloadable documents. Okay. Then under assignments, these are also by day. And so the assignments require you to download the document. I don't want to download it here. Sometimes when I go into another screen, the screencast software will kick me out. So I just want to stay here. And so you have the assignments here. They are by dates on the calendar. And so you would download it, complete it, make sure to read the directions, because if you don't do it as instructed, I will send it back. And then you're going to save the file and then upload it here. This is your assignment link. Okay, that's your assignment link. You usually have about 4 attempts. Okay, so all of these are hyperlinked assignment links. So these are all of your assignments. And then your quizzes, you have quizzes as well. So the read, watch assignments, they all build upon each other. But for the quizzes, you only have about 2 attempts. Okay. So these are also by date. So here's your homophones quiz, nouns, verbs, etc. And then, of course, the discussion board. The discussion board is very simple because it's kind of like the first time I am consistently using it from a previous semester. And so it's very simple. Just make sure to create questions or address concerns. You can always share information on the discussion board, right? Respond to at least one peer's initial post for 10 points. And then there are 2 points, there are 2 times out of the semester where you will have to submit a draft. So for instance, for discussion board number 7, that's July 20th to July 21, you will have to upload the grid essay draft. And then for discussion board number 14, you would upload a draft with feedback. Okay, so these are your discussion boards. And then there is the grammar final that's at the end of the semester. You won't have access to it until the end. And then there's a course reflection, and of course you won't have access to it as well until the end of the semester. So just be sure to review the syllabus. The course syllabus is very clear about what you need to know. Follow the calendar. You can find the calendar in different areas, but this calendar corresponds or coordinates well with the eCampus setup. So it shouldn't be hard. So that's read, watch, assignments, quizzes, and discussion board. So I'm very glad that you are in my class. Thank you very much for taking DRW 0315-83300. Looking forward to working with you.